morning! So it's day 2 of the Korea trip. We're having breakfast lang here at the hotel. I got rice, chicken, egg, and some broccoli. So today we'll be going to Nami Island, Noma. Nami Island and ski resort. Ski resort. So I'm wearing 3 layers of heat tech and this from GU. At saka nakatatlong pairs din ako heat tech sa legs. So sobrang lamig. And yeah, mamaya pakita ko yung food ng hotel. How was your sleep?
It was good. Malamig.
Right.
Wala nga ako sa...
Nakaligo ka? Despite the weather. Ako naligo.
Ako naligo din naman.
Right.
Pag-gabi lang. Kasi na maliligo sa morning.
Yeah.
Sa gabi ulit.
I think that's better.
Wala catch-up seat sa bus.
Same. Ano daw yun? 2 hours? Yung yung trip. So pwede naman ata matulog, I think. There's our bus. So we're gonna try itong honey butter almond na Starlight Pang flavor. I don't know what that is. Or mukhang candy. Let's try.
Ooh.
Ano yun nasa loob? Pwede mong buksan at ilabas. Parang siya. Parang candy.
Oh, popping candy.
Kaya pang. Alam sarap. So here's the final look. Yeah. So I'm wearing 2 heat tech layers, polo, and my ski jacket. So yung shoes kito, so big. So we just got our stuff from the ski rental place. So kasama nagpay kami ng 85K for me. Kasi nga mag-ski ako. So from the jackets to the bottoms to the boots. So yan. And then bumili din ako ng gloves, which was like 20,000K. And yeah, ready na kami to go back to the bus and go to the ski resort mismo. Wow! Yeah. Okay. So, nakakapila ako. Ang cool na mga itsura ng mga tao here. Wow. Ang gulo.
Forward. Lean forward, yeah, lean forward.
Oh, lean forward daw. Do a letter A.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah! Oh, go, yeah.
Oh. The back should be wider. Back. The back plate should be wider. Yeah, it's good. Don't be scared. You don't die, okay?
You don't
Your
die.
finger should be forward. Yes, like that. You don't die. Face.
So we're here na sa may Elysian Ski Resort. Sobrang lamig. Pero presko at buti na may araw. It's a good day to ski. Kala mo naman. So hindi siya madali, mahirap siya. Pero nakaka-enjoy when you're down there. Pero of course, exercise caution and follow yung mga things to remember. Yung mga basics, ganun. So yung place na to is very beginner friendly naman. Like ang dami nagtuturo, mga basic classes. Hindi lang siya ski, may snowboarding din. So I'm not so sure kung ano yung mas madali. Feel ko mas madali ito for me kasi may handle. So nakakalakad ako, mas nakakuha ko yung direction, I think. Mahirap pala maglakad. Parang nagwa-wobble na penguin. Grabe kuya, ang bilis mo! Hindi ko masyado ka mabilis, hindi ko alam. Sakit? Sakit, sucks lang.
Sakto lang.
Oh.
Hindi mahirap eh. Papabagta ka. Mahirap mag-break.
Oo nga eh.
You might have to show them the best guy.
Yum. So, we just finished having lunch. So, only Samgyup pero chicken. Sarap naman, no? Was it good? Right? Parang nakadalawang servings din kami of just spicy chicken. And grabe siya. Halos maubos na niya yung gochujang. Manghang ba? Okay, boy. So, sarap naman siya. Actually, parang napunta na daw to ng parents ko. So, I guess, naka-known siya when it comes to group tours to the resort or pag Nami Island. So, sa restaurant na yan, may ka-connected siya na store. Wow!
Which one you like? That one? Which one? What's
Wow! Ang ano, Don Quixote. Oh, thank you!
Popping chocolate.
Siyempre, the best na may samples. Wow! Lamig gago. So ganyan yung film. It's So yan yung mga kilalang trees here in Nami Island. Ang dami mga nagpipictorial. Wow. So isa siyang hilera trees. So we're here at Nami Island. It's a quick, parang 5-minute or less than ferry ride from the main island. Parang nasa gitna siya ng two land masses in the middle of a river. It was very cute, very cozy yung place, no? Tapos it's very well known because of, I guess a K-drama. Forgot kung anong name. And then very iconic yung look niya with the whole nakahilerang mga trees going from one side of the island to another. So it feels very magical and very perfect for winter time. I think mas maganda siya kapag autumn when everything is like orange and brown. So, wow. So magical. Iyak ako. It's so pretty. Mukha akong Dune Part 1. So malaki siyang malaki din siyang lugar, maraming nagagawa. May mga playground, may mga restaurants, may mga store kiosks, may mga artworks. Actually, pwede ka din mag-bike around, so which is super cool. Alis na daw yung ferry in a bit. Kailangan namin tumakbo. Ako lang naman yung tumatakbo. So yung name na Nami Island pala, it's named after a general parang who lived here or lived near here. So, quick trivia for you guys. Look at all my ducks. So, ang ganda ng Nami Island. Feel ko pwede ko mag-stay for like a whole day. And marami ka talaga magagawa. So, I highly recommend it. If you were given a choice, feel ko about half a day, baka pwede mag-stay here. So, nakabalik na kami sa city and it's dinner time. So, ang sarap kasi nakatulog ako. I got to catch up with sleep. Medyo pagod pa rin ako from yesterday. So, ready na ako mag-bibimbap. Yun sabi. Ay, hindi pala. Bulgogi. Bulgogi time. Bulgogi.
Mami. Ako nga yung bag nila. Ano na lang? Bag. Oo nga, akala ko malalim. Inoff ko na. Kasi mainit.
Ang lamig ko.
Sobrang lambot.
Gabi carrot.
감사합니다. Thank you. Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Thank you.